Here's some ecopsychology principles trivia. Subscribe. What principle connects individual well-being with the environment? Is it A, technocracy, B, deep ecology, C, ecopsychology, or D, biocentrism? The correct answer is C, ecopsychology. What term describes the psychological benefits of nature? Is it A, anthropocentrism, B, technophilia, C, urbanization, or D, biophilia? The correct answer is D, biophilia. What type of therapy incorporates natural environments? Is it A, aromatherapy, B, music therapy, C, nature therapy, or D, art therapy? The correct answer is C, nature therapy. What therapeutic approach integrates psychology with nature? Is it A, ecotherapy, B, wilderness survival, C, animal therapy, or D, biofeedback training? The correct answer is A, ecotherapy. What is the focus of ecopsychology in human experience? Is it A, emotional trauma, B, digital distraction, C, nature connection, or D, urban isolation? The correct answer is C, nature connection. What is the term for emotional responses to ecological crises? Is it A, nature panic, B, green guilt, C, climate fatigue, or D, eco-anxiety? The correct answer is D, eco-anxiety. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.